During the last 3 years, the Rajbhavan undertaken a task. Through that process, we have issued checks to patients, cancer patients and dialysis patients, now nearing 3,000 members. And associations are concerned, about 100 associations, charitable institutions, 63 one religion and 47 from some other religion and 12, according to my memory, I am saying, to a third religious group. 1 lakh rupees each to them and 25,000 minimum to patients. So one of the greatest achievements in the history of Rajbhavans of India as a whole. The bounden duty of the governor, bounden duty of the service providers, bounden duty of the administrative setup as a whole is concerned, including bureaucrats, to serve the people. And that is why we went to the doorstep of each and every village of Goa and first 1 year distributed these types of check providing process.